Look at that cool waterfall. It's over there and there's another one over there. It's so cool. I'm right now up on this giant mountain by myself. My parents are down there because they're scared. And I found this cute little crystal. They're Dave! I have to like zoom in a lot. They're really far down, yeah. I'm up on this little mountain down from there. Yeah, I'm right next to the waterfall, which is better. I'm having so much fun. Also, I have a question. Please leave your answer in the comment section below. What is your favorite Roblox game? Because I want to play some more Roblox games. It's really fun for me. So just put it in the comments. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you want to have some fun. Not really though. Sort of, yeah. Okay, bye. Let me quickly stop by something. I'm going to quickly come.